Welcome back to Overlooked Episodes, and this time I'm going to do my own thoughts and review of an episode of a series that I think is one of my favorite shows. You know, it's one of my favorite anthology shows. The thing that I hate the most is when people, talk about anthology series, if it's the amount of Twilight Zone variations, Tales from the Crypt, Masters of Horror. Don't worry, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go to those series episode. Some of those episodes of those series soon. Tales from the Crypt. Amazing Stories, I think, is one of the best anthology series ever made. I'm just avoiding the new one. It's just, it's not like I don't know. But I checked out an episode, and I think it is one of their, really good episodes, one of their superior episodes. And I think it's one of my favorites. And it is Remote Control Man from Season 1, Episode 10. This is directed by Bob Clark. This is the genius who brought us Children Don't Play with Dead Things, Porky's, Black Christmas, A Christmas Story, and then he, for some odd reason, does something like Blonde and Blonder. And the thing that hurts me the most, him and his kid getting killed by a scumbag douchebag who I hope is violated. But in other ways, it's pretty sad when I think of this director. He directed this episode, and he directed it well. You have the dude from One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. I actually love the message to this film. This episode seems like a film to me. It's literally a better version of Click. And, it's this guy he's mainly, he's the bumbling kind of character. He has this wife who's quite mean, like an Anne Ramsey-like kind of character. He has a son who's a twerp, who's played by Chunk from the Goonies. You can tell he was having a blast playing this character. And there's another son, I guess, who's odd. And this guy gets this, Click is literally such a ripoff of this episode. Because he goes and he gets this remote control. And he basically, the coolest thing about this is all the it's just, he goes to the wife and clicks, and she turns into this complete hot model, like this Trish Canatella looking chick, and then turns Jeff Cohen Chunk into Arnold from Different Strokes. And then it's just this it has a really nice wholesome feeling at the end, though, however it all was a dream, and the wife is actually nice and says, "Come on, hon, go and bed already. Really love this episode. I think it's underrated. It's something to check out if you want to watch something and just feel good. I don't know, this has a really... I haven't watched something with such a good feeling in a long time. And this really made me feel good. So check it out.